Hi, hello Mengalaba. Aku di video liya ro, Shibanga expand your vocabulary so that a bind video liya asset to dia a bind nick leba. She video ga audio board na listening practice na tabiro. I teyama go jai the phrase li tone note taraba. I tone note tabida I phrase li ro kuasa jama piami below tom bule so pia me video lip pare. How be the ye tara zakazuli ma these along lady in zone shui lai me bona. Matilda Salonio Ian's own dictionary and in Shatima dictionary Toma, phone dictionary paper, free browser, so English to English, Cambridge sheet, not a quadra, Myanmar dictionaries, or Juma only sheet, but it's online Myanmar dictionaries, or outside a lady, Juma link tape by my description, Emma. No, I pay shout that the Pablo Naku, Jaman, Jamas and Naku to show how to use the two Myanmar dictionary, Magida, Dapia, or damn you, Thea, so mellow, or example don't know name much about the Chanam lay she. I don't mean as a PMB English dictionary or Chilabia. I'm mamma, a daybed do the synonym Chiabono, synonyms at the boa, a daybed do the Diamond Salon Bauma do, Alumuma, Jumapu, Nala name as a girl, I neama, a side hole like China. Alumia Shama. Or bouncing back from setback. Bounce or John TV that bounce bit as a dabolopo like BB solution. Cambian Lara or some Europura. Setback so as I can only account it or early shaggy setback. Setbacks or else I'm Shamti join not think loud me malabura. Okay, setback. You know shaggy me.
Setback.
Okay. Setbacks are something that happens that delays or prevent a process from developing. Okay, then you have it a hand at a cool pure no? From your move, Jutwa move, Bruton move, radio delay PC as well. Handa, no, Nazy, the bomb your pure. A setback getting mother Jamati choice of the Lipinid at Abono. Vocabulary related words or dialect yet. I met the Joes at Jaro, Zagaloma, David do that I am Yai she had him as a thesaurus, but no synonym. So I David do so problem name that any problem travel no a bit another cuckoo new bureaus at Niama Palace bouncing back from setback so any bouncing back from a problem so an enemy no that type your general setback home your my dictionary blow shameless at the chechime and the mother hand that and now shape no error kunadi setback so near my problem next I told you I bounce back from a problem you legend near many PM your time melare David got you not a long time the master fighter no and not the quite about the Jamara the power speech query on a fighters or agitated get the boy palace in now Yashima won't be a PM you know the Margot the two the Cambridge dictionary about countless or Tenderland Yarabio. Fighter the agitatively about the importance of Piatarashi. That any other fighters are important and Nina important aspect, no aspects of violence at the church mebona. ASPECT aspect. That shoot down the polish Marama Yulo Yarabono. Fighter important perspective, important pinati mablo yin legime. ASPECT aspect. Aspect. Aspect go synonyms anger bona shoot down anger element synonym the anger so veg my day nine bona elements that the ballad important anger bona go but the charge shoot down pagani chide so the hand you bona elopong them you in a tongue bona aspect cabanet really she now got proposition of in a light between the shade tomorrow time I find the aspect of ballet the knock now I'm by the aspect of Manamunali don't hali she ali patlo the yarabona. Every his illness affect almost every aspect of his life that now never no that pronoun she and now she can be his life at the aspect of the situation aspect of the filmmaking along the mirror thinking critically is one of the vital aspects of communication, but no, I look at you since I at the Chinese name. Hello, lady Shajiba. The phrase layer, my father being that the lolly tetaraba, father being Namalu actually Roshibare, later the can be a Jibeba. I made a lot of mistakes at work this morning, but I'm trying to bounce back from the setback. We had a terrible earthquake a few days ago. Many were affected, but I can see them try their best to adapt to the difficult situation. My company is the busiest environment that I have ever worked in, but working there makes me withstand the pressure even more. I think communication skills are one of the vital aspects of the workplace these days. A compliment from my boss bolsters my confidence in design skills. We don't have to do everything alone. We just need a strong supporting network. Okay, video လေးကဒီမှာပြီးသားပါပြီနောက် video တစ်ပိုင်း3မှာကြာလို့ရှိရင် ChatGPT နဲ့ကျွန်မတခြား phrase တွေကိုဘယ်လိုမျိုးကောင်းအောင်ပြောမလဲဆိုတာလေးနဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့ video လေးတစ်ခုလုပ်ပေးသွားပါမယ် Thank you so much for watching. Bye.